wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best soldering irons. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Built in the traditional pencil-style configuration, the Weller WLC100 comes complete with a stand and an iron-plated copper tip. This versatile model is easy to wield for lengthy stretches of time, which helps you get the job done efficiently. The power adjusts from 5 to 40 watts, and it includes a tip cleaning pad. However, it can take a while to heat up. At number 9, craftsmen in the know are quick to recommend the Hakko FX888D. It's efficient and reliable, delivering consistent performance at high and low settings. It doesn't come cheap, but it's a wise choice if you view it as a long-term investment. It comes with a built-in cleaning wire and sponge and heats up fully in less than a minute, though its functions are not the most intuitive. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the handheld butane-powered Weller P2KC is especially useful to have on hand for minor home and auto repair projects. It reaches up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit in a short amount of time and can be used for about an hour continuously. It melts solder in less than a minute and offers a simple refill process. However, the instructions are not very helpful. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for soldering irons, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Vasta AC222 is a remarkable value when you consider everything you get with this kit. It includes 5 tips for different applications, plus a stand, wire, wick, cleaning sponge, 2 tweezers, and a 59-inch power cable for flexibility while you work. There are 16 pieces in the set, which comes with a durable carrying case, but it's not ideal for professional use. Moving up our list to number 6. Thanks to quality craftsmanship and a grounded construction, the Hakko FX601 operates safely and effectively without using a cumbersome base station. On its handle is a dial for selecting one of 6 heat levels, from 240 to 540 degrees Celsius. It holds a consistent temperature and is ideal for stained glass work. It's lightweight and easy to grip. Halfway up our list at number 5. With a devoted following in the tech industry, the Yui-Chan TS100 is a precision-calibrated tool that's ideal for working with sensitive materials. USB connectivity allows savvy users to flash the firmware with a wide variety of additional user-programmed functions. It includes an overheating warning and is available with various assorted tips. It's good for drone repairs. At number 4, the shinenow Portable's durable aluminum shell, lightweight and compact size make it a prime choice for tossing in a mobile toolkit. It heats up fully in about 10 seconds and goes to sleep between uses to conserve energy and preserve its life. It's simple to swap tip elements and it's programmable down to the degree. It's equipped with an in-depth LCD control panel. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, an assortment of attachments helps make the Dremel 2000-01 a highly versatile choice. The shaping knife gives you the ability to mold plastic and other heat-sensitive materials, while the deflector allows you to perform precise work on electrical wiring. It features a useful flame lock-on and a protective cap that aids in cooling. It's suitable for decorative wood burning. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for soldering irons, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the tips that come with the holife Black are built from solid copper and plated with iron and nickel for long-term durability. It operates smoothly with a bright display screen and a simple control panel for anything from appliance repairs to do-it-yourself jewelry. It offers a corrosion-resistant silicone cable, easy tool-free tip changing, and a stand with a removable sponge tray. And taking the top spot on our list, designed for working with precision electronics, the gas-fueled master appliance ultratorch will put the power of a dragon and the finesse of a ballerina at your fingertips, allowing for remarkable accuracy at red-hot settings. It's backed by a 1-year warranty and can reach 2500 degrees Fahrenheit. It offers an efficient, flameless operation. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for soldering irons, or simply click beneath this video.